Explaination students, hope you are all doing good, and today we are starting with the exercise 6.1 sums, and question 1 already I had solved, and question number 2 here we are having two sums, question number 2 and question number 3. Okay, so first question number 2. In the question number 2, the following are the obviously not perfect. They already said that the full number is not perfect square. We have to give the reason. Already we had shown in the introduction of the chapter the perfect square always ending with 1, 4, 6, 5, 9 and 0. And here the number is not ending with any of this number. Understood? So you will give the statement that the perfect square ends with 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 0. That means even number of 0. Okay. But here it ends with 7. Understood, students? So it is not a perfect square. In the same way you will write for this question. What you will write? You will write that the perfect square ends with 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. But here it ends with 2. That's why it is not perfect square. And remaining questions is homework for you, right? Now let's move on to the question number 3. In the question number 3, you can see that the sum of which of the following squares would be odd. Means by squaring this number, which number will get the odd answers. Okay. So you can see that 1 square, if we square means doubling the number. Okay, multiplying by itself. So when you multiply this with the 331 itself, the end beats 1. So which is odd number. So what we will write? 431 is the number whose square is odd. Understood? But in case of 6 6 are 36, so we won't try this. We have to just identify the number. So which two numbers will come? 431 and 779. 779 is the number whose square is odd. And here 4 is the 4 4s are 16, which is an even number. Understood, students? And next sum 5, 6, 7 are patterns. You try to solve by your own. Understood, students? It's like activity. You try to solve by your own. Okay. Now let's move on to the question number 8. Okay, where we are going to do the content without calculation. We are going to find the square root. Okay. 7th question, students. Without adding, find the sum. We have to find the sum of this following numbers without adding. How we will be doing? First, you have to count the numbers. How many numbers are there in this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many numbers are there? 7 numbers are there. Understood? We will take the square of this 7 numbers. This 7 we will take the square and it will become 49. This will be the sum. By adding this number, you will get 49. Understood? When you are getting the question that without adding find the sum, you can go for this. You have to count the number and you have to take the square, and the square will be the sum. Okay, sum means addition. And then in next question is homework for you. Try that sum. And here is the 8th question. Express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. So odd numbers, 7 odd numbers का रख के हम find out करना है. कैसा? First you will write 49. 49 is the square of which number? Think about the square table. That 7 square is 49. Understood? How we had done the 7th sum? In the same way we are going to do. That means 7 odd numbers. First 7 odd numbers we have to write. First 7 odd numbers. Okay. What are the first 7 odd numbers? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11 plus 13. This is equal to 49. Without addition, we can find that this odd numbers are there. Okay, here I didn't write 11 plus 13. Okay. Understood, students? In this way, we will find the odd numbers square and without adding, without doing any calculation, we can find. Okay. Now let's move on to the 9th question. Okay. To the last question of this exercise 6.1. How many numbers lies between squares of the following number? So you have to find the square. For example, the square of 12 is 144 and the square of 13 square is 169. In between these two numbers, how many numbers are there? Non-square numbers that you have to find. For this you are having one formula, that is number of non-square is equal to 2 into n. That is where n is equal to 12. The least number that we are taking, that we will take in the n value and then we will calculate. Therefore 2n is equal to 12 into 2 into 12. 2 into 12 is equal to 24. And final statement you write that therefore 24 non-square numbers lies between 12 and 13. Understood? Like this you will be solving, and remaining sum you try by your own, and if you are having any doubt you can contact me. Stay blessed, stay healthy, Jai Swaminarayan, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.